Hi friend, this is @IOldMonk. Today I am with the LG Stone Infinium. So it comes with the signature sound of Harman Kardon. You can see Harman Kardon. So it is launched in India for $10,900 and it runs with the Bluetooth connectivity. It is compatible with Android and iPhones, so no issue of connecting. And as the company specification, let me go through. The talk time is for 17 hours, and the music playback will go for 14 hours, and the standby mode will go for 550 hours. And its support runs on Bluetooth 3.0 version, and the supported Bluetooth profiles are A2DP, AVRCP, HFP and HSP. So what you can do with this one, let me show you. Let me unbox the device. So this is the device in which let me go through you. This is the microphone port, as you can see. This is the microphone port, and this is the call button, and here it is the play pause button, which you can see in the another side, right side. It comes over the neck like this. On the neck, you can wear it as a band. Let me switch on the device first. Here is the on off button. So if I get on, you can see the LED light blinking. So this is the USB charging slot where you can charge the device. Here you can charge the device, and so these are the earphones which can be expandable, and you can put in your neck, and this is how it will go to the ear. And if you want to retract them back, just press this button. See, it goes inside. So this is how it is retracted. Now in the left side we will see that there is a volume control. By pressing this, you can go and do the plus and minus. And on the right side you will find there is a forward and rewind button, which you can do while playing the music. So these are the things which comes here. And let me switch off this one. It comes with this device, and if you are music or a music fan, or you are a collectors of accessory, this is a good accessory, I will tell you. You can have it. And let me go through inside the box what it comes. So inside the box it comes with the user manual, I guess. So yeah, this is the Bluetooth headset stereo, and this is the warranty card with, and these are the do's and the don'ts what comes with the box. And here is the different earplugs. You can put extra earplugs, and this is the micro USB charge for micro USB cable for charging the phone. So this is me @IOldMonk signing off with the LG Stone Infinium. Okay, bye. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe to our channel.